Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for both budding photographers and seasoned pros alike, the Canon EOS R10 mirrorless camera with the RFS 18 to 45mm lens kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Canon EOS R10? At its core, it's a versatile mirrorless camera that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography game. With a sleek design and lightweight build, this camera is perfect for capturing stunning images and high-definition videos on the go. One of the standout features of the EOS R10 is its DIGIC X Image Processor. This powerhouse enhances performance, ensuring that your photos are sharp and your videos are ultra-high definition. The 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor further complements this by delivering crisp, vibrant images, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting a sunset or a bustling street scene, this sensor is designed to impress. If you're someone who loves capturing fast-moving subjects, think sports, wildlife, or action shots, the EOS R10 has you covered with its high-speed continuous shooting capabilities. With mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 frames per second, you won't miss a moment of the action. This feature is particularly beneficial for those looking to capture that split-second thrill. Now, let's talk about autofocus. The EOS R10 is equipped with intelligent subject detection technology, which means it can keep your subject in crystal-clear focus, automatically adjusting as they move. This is a game-changer for anyone who wants to make sure their shots are both dynamic and sharp. Battery life is always a concern for photographers and videographers. Luckily, the EOS R10 operates using a Canon LPE17 battery pack, and with the USB power adapter PDE, you can easily charge the battery while it's still inside the camera. This means more time shooting and less time worrying about battery life. Another practical feature is the vibrant LED screen, which is anti-smudge coated for clear visibility. This makes planning your shots a breeze, whether you're shooting in bright daylight or dimly lit conditions. The ergonomic design and firm grip ensure that you can handle this camera comfortably, allowing for a seamless shooting experience. Now, who is the Canon EOS R10 suitable for? It's ideal for a wide range of users, from amateur photographers looking to step up their game to professional creators who need a reliable and portable camera for everyday use. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, street photography, or just capturing everyday moments without the bulk of larger camera systems. Imagine taking this camera on your next adventure, whether it's a trip to the mountains, capturing the excitement of a concert, or documenting a family gathering. The versatility of the RFS 18 to 45mm lens included in the kit means you'll have the flexibility to shoot wide-angle landscapes, intimate portraits, and everything in between. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 mirrorless camera with RFS 18 to 45mm lens kit is a powerful tool that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a professional videographer, this camera is designed to meet your needs and help you capture stunning visuals wherever you go. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.